No, I said PTP. Oh.
Yeah, you said this one. You did. That's okay. Let's do this one. This one's a good problem to talk about.
That's not number 45.
Oh well, this is one we're gonna do.
Yeah,
This is a really good problem. I like this
What number
problem.
is that one?
The one I wrote down is that one.
Well, what number is
I
it?
have no idea.
It's a creative number.
I have no idea.
You just made it.
You just made it up.
What problem? What number is this one? It is number 46.
Well, actually, we didn't do number 46.
Oh well, this is extra bonus for you then.
Let's do it.
Well, no.
Well, yeah, because you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn something. Watch Alexa. This one right here. There's like when I look at it, I'm like, oh, this is weird because we don't usually factor things where they have cubes. Not like this. Not where we're using guess and check like we're doing for this, right?
This only gets hard by the minute.
Well, no, this one actually works out really easy because you remember the first thing you always want to check is there something you can take out of all three terms.
Why?
Well, because that makes it easy. Do you see my joke right there, Edgar?
Jesus. Now I see what.
Edgar, you see my joke right there? Because I asked the question like, what? Basically, I said, what can you take out of all of these? And you said why? And I said, well, because it makes it easier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See? Yeah. So yeah, though, right. We can take out a y, and we're left with x squared minus 4xy, and then minus 21y squared. Do you see? Alexa, we're good with all that, right? You just take out the y. Now, okay, maybe this is confusing at the end, the y squared. But if you think about it, the y squared at the end, that comes from y times y. That's how you get y squared at the end.
So why did you take oh, yeah, y?
Yeah, I took out the y because it made it easier. Now, here's what people do a lot of the time, is they spend so much time factoring this right here that in their answer, they forget about the y. Don't forget about the y. You know why? Because you get it wrong. It's part of the answer. Because when you're factoring, you're unmultiplying, so y is part of this multiplication.
You can't forget why the y is there.
That's right. So, now I know for sure x is easy. That's x squared. I also know the signs are different. Because this is negative. That means that this one and this one, the numbers that go here and here, they're different. The number on this is actually, I think, easy because 21 is 7 times 3, and the difference of 7 and 3 is 4. So I know it's going to be 7 and 3. The only thing I have to be really careful about now is the sign. It's a negative 4. So the 7 has to be negative because 7, the difference of 7 and 3 is 4, but yeah, that would make it a negative 4. There you go. So that one is tricky at first, but if you factor the y out, and then if you just recognize how this y squared can come to be, then it's really not that bad. The 21 and the 4 make it pretty easy. Ooh, ah? Ooh, ah.